Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting true elevated rights. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as administrator. Accept the UAC prompt when it appears. If you still see access denied, check your account type in Settings and confirm it is an administrator account. When corporate policies block elevation, temporarily enable the built-in administrator with Net User Administrator/active, Yes to test. Once done, make sure to disable that built-in account after troubleshooting to keep the system secure. Next, diagnose why the shell is blocked. You can inspect CMD. EXE permissions via properties right arrow security or run icackles C, \Windows \system 32 \CMD. EXE to view access lists. If ownership is wrong, take ownership with takeown/FC, \Windows \system 32 \CMD. EXE and then grant administrators full control using icackles. Also check local or domain group policy settings that restrict command prompts and finish by rebooting so permission and policy changes take effect, then test launching an elevated command prompt. If needed, create an elevated shortcut or use PowerShell as administrator to run commands. Make sure system file integrity is good. Run sfc/scano if errors persist. If you still get access denied, boot to safe mode, create a new administrator account and test from there, and review Event Viewer for specific denial events. This troubleshooting tip often reveals policy or software that must be changed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.